Hello there, I'm Dom here. Today we are taking a look at the Domesky. There's literally no name to this, so I'm just gonna call it a Domesky's affordable USB speakers because there's no name to this product. Proof of purchase. It was originally 20 RMB, but there was a 50% discount, so that's the one. So it only costed us 10 RMB. So here's the box, super simple. Showcases the speaker in a variety of colors. I have no idea what color I actually bought. So read it off if you want to. By right, they should mark the color, but in this particular application, they don't. This is miscellaneous, which is interesting. There's white, there is like this yellow, orange, red, maroon, pink, purple, and that's about it. So I bought this from Hangzhou, China, with the at the same time of this Domesky basic tripod, which I'm using right now to film. And if you want to check out the unboxing of that tripod, click the little eye in the top and right corner. But back to the speakers, let's check them out, shall we? Box is pretty full, and I seem to have bought some pink speakers. Totally did not expect this. Got some basic packaging per speaker, of which there are some visible tape. The speakers are rather tiny and compact, which is a good thing in my mind because I was in the market for some affordable compact speakers. So the pink is the vibrant. There is the word Domesky in the middle of the speakers itself. It is very light. There is a dedicated volume control at the back with the slider here. There's the USB, and then there's the 3.5mm jack. I thought I'll showcase the length of the wire. So the speakers are marked on whether they're left or right. So that's that. But there's a wire for the right speaker or another speaker, and then there's this joint cable which goes to this part, which is little stub.